Alright, so made it to the auto department. Gonna get this oil. They coming out that side, so I ain't gotta open that door. I'm gonna get this oil real quick, get this oil change done. Do not feel like doing nothing today. Your boy's lazy. Alright, y'all. Start by mounting. Let's get it. We gonna get this oil change over with. You get this bit mounted, I'm gonna get this head pop. What y'all got planned for tonight?
Shit, I know.
I say we should got down for real. They go like to the river walk or something. Yeah, like I ain't saying go spend the money. Just go walk the fucking water. Get drunk, get a little cups action. Got the e-brake board. This bitch look like it wanna move. While he gonna do that, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the oil cap so it can have some airflow. Motor is hot because we just got back right now. Yeah, that motor's hot as hell. Like hot. Boy, Dodge showed you. That motor is hot as hell, y'all. Dodge make sure they put their money in the motor. Like it might be a V6, but this thing is pretty big for a freaking V6. Like look at that thing. Like come on. Like let me pick this camera up. Look at that thing. That's a V6. Like what? Dodge really be putting all their money in the motor. I thought Chevy did, but shoot. I like that little oil catch can, y'all. Look at that. What's better than that right there? It's free. And it works. Have y'all ever tried these right here? These things are fire, low key. It's my first time having one. And that's hella good, low key. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with it, man?
I don't know what the fuck that had that damn with my goddamn wrist. It's like damn something pop.
Damn. Yeah, you on concrete too. I be on fucking like
Oh, dirt head.
That should be risky.
Oh.
Uh-huh. I don't know.
Move. Yeah, licking my damn nipple. Move your ass back. See, you gonna have to go back there in the back. You can't help it.
So you can't handle it.
You can't help it.
Alright, yeah. Probably 15, 17. Huh?
It'll be easy for you to cut the other side.
True. I'm too stubborn to get back up though twice. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, y'all. So you pretty much gonna need a 15 or 17, but I'm gonna use these pliers right here, so they should work for real. That's what I'm saying, like you're a smart man. A lot of people over tighten they shit. You know what I mean?
Hell no, I don't know what tighten my damn oil filter up my goddamn screw.
I'm gonna put down the camera.
Get up under that bitch and goddamn gotta use goddamn how to get it off. That's why I damn came my own shit.
Alright guys, so just loosen that up and the shit come right off, as you see. Get your oil pan ready, which is gonna be hard because the jack kind of like, hold on.
Nah, it ain't, cause it gonna shoot back. Tell me.
I know it's gonna shoot back, that bitch gonna come back up. You don't care about leaking nothing on the ground?
No.
I bet. I can make that work. No problem. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get back with y'all. I don't got my GoPro on, so fuck this. That motherfucker about to fuck, cause he about to put 5 quarts in, think 5 quarts in the hole.
Okay,
5 quarts with oil filters in there.
We finna see now.
You want got low oil a little bit. A little bit higher. Do not dry your car for oil change, y'all. Or your ass will be burning. I ain't gonna lie, that was a short stubby screw. For one, I should put pressure on it. That's my fault right there. I ain't had no pressure on that bit like an idiot, but talking my ass off. Yeah, that oil tank leader right there. You see that shit? Uh-huh. It's okay though, cause I don't feel no matter.
That's why I use that looper.
Hey, bring it back. You probably catch both of it for real. Bring it back a little bit more. Just in time. For real.
Let's see, is it gonna overflow now?
Hey man, I don't even want to hear it. that man thirsty. I don't care what you say. That man gotta be thirsty. That bitch ain't overflowing. We had a water bottle. That'd be perfect just to catch the rest.
Now tell me, damn, ain't it right that we need to be?
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie to you. He right. He know. Hey, never tell a man about his own car.
Own goddamn invented.
For real. Like, you can't tell a man about his own car. I be trying to tell people that when they try to tell me about things about my Camaro, but you really can't. You know how I operate. You had that bitch long enough. Alright, y'all. You don't gotta let every draw come out.
Damn, that shit dead cool. Out there, they was loosening the seat out there.
Oh no, I could tell you that. That bitch it gonna give you a little something at first, and then it gonna stop. But when it fall though, when that bitch already, we should have did that first, because when it fall, it gonna splash. That man, hey, this thing hot as hell. What the hell am I doing? That man got a whole cigarette in his mouth, chilling, and I'm gonna help get burnt right now.
I don't know what you doing. That's what you got supplies for. That's what you the one that.
Hey, you see how he made me feel better by saying it's my fault? That goddamn. He like, I gave you what you need.
What you got to get what you need.
Guys, don't loosen it thinking you're tiny, because you're an idiot if you do so. My hand slippery here.
Right, left it loose.
Hey, my hand slippery here by that.
Yeah. Matter of fact, let me go get you a towel.
Oh, if I put down the camera, hold on, y'all. Y'all gotta get out my face. Hey, I got it. We just put down the goddamn camera. True. Alright, tight, just like that. Get that thing tight, just like that. Get that oil filter off. I'll be back with y'all in a second. Let me wipe off my hands because they are drenched in oil. Alright, y'all, Pat got the filter. I hope she don't pour out too much. Twist it loose and move the towel and let that motherfucker just drain. Yeah, now, there you go. Use your fingers to tap that motherfucker. Come on, girl. Now, there you go. Yeah, that's it right there. One more. That's why you can't twist it. That motherfucker splashed right on him. Right on him. That man. Hey, at least we done for the most part. That's why the oil, when that bit hot, you got a little spice to it.
Oh, damn shit.
What that filter at? Alright, y'all. $3. All it takes. $3. What? $40 for the oil change? $35. Everything, the oil filter, the Lucas, everything. $4. Lucas.
Damn, just goddamn help it stabilize your oil, goddamn make sure everything in there getting cleaned off and shit. So you really don't need it, but it's a damn good attitude.
Very good. And they fuel support. I know you guys pay attention to any of my old videos. Every time I gas up, I say about every like 4 or 5 videos, one of the cars getting some fuel treatment in it. And it's usually Lucas. So go get your filter now.
Put that oil on top of the damn green.
Yeah. You use that old oil, goddamn.
I use my new oil that put me in my top.
That man's so fancy. I do it. Whoop. I know, but like all you gotta do is just grab something. Well, nah, you don't need a lot now. You don't need. That ain't enough. Okay. So he precise with it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I literally get it. I go around that rim. That's it.
Damn. Dirty oil on your shit.
Well, I'm just putting on the gasket. The gasket was they put it on there so it don't crack. You know what I mean? The gasket oil crack. So that's why you put it around the gas mainly. But hey, I ain't disagreeing now. That's the thing, I never disagree. Cause if you think it don't work, shit, it won't hurt. It makes a few seconds to goddamn make sure the shit work. But this mug gotta be flat, cause I can see how flat it looks from right here. Hold on, T16. Okay, look. T16. What is T18? PH2. They both the same filter, so they're definitely the wrong one. Cause they both the same brand, but with different filter. You feel me?
What this one say on there? What damn letter it is?
16.
TG16. And what that say?
PF2. Uh-oh. Yeah, we might get to ride in the Camaro a little early.
Shit, you ain't even on it now, damn. It's too big.
I already know. It gotta be. Because that bit would have been caught. What was we spending on that motherfucker? So we are back with the right filter, thank God. Gonna get this thing over with. Throw this back on, and yeah.
It's still big. Oh, yeah. The whole damn way big.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Definitely. And it's ready to go. Alright, this should go on a lot smoother. Yep, already on just like that, like clockwork, y'all.
Okay.
Go ahead and start moving the tools. This is one more. Nice and slow. Why did motherfucker just drop?
Man, my damn hand, damn.
True. Yeah, you that bottom part right here. That bit might be like, what the fuck? Hey, he tell me how his man made it slow and then said fuck it. He said, I caught it bit halfway, well fuck it. Let it go and fall.
Come on down.
Like, what am I doing to myself slow? Fuck the car. Exactly. That bitch jump off speed bump way harder than Alright, y'all, we got big nephew. Finna come show y'all little youngins how I done. Got a knife.
What?
We cut this out down piece off the top. I guess he can just open it. Yeah, he open it.
He ain't even damn need to do all that.
True, I know, it's just over. Hold on, hey, pull that first.
No, I told him to pull that.
Oh, I thought you told him to pull that first. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Put the oil in the first, then put the thick shit there on the side.
Okay. Yeah.
And had the thick shit at the bottom of the block.
I already know.
Oil got
I know, pump it. I know. I just going by what you said. You know what I mean? It's your car. You feel me? There you go.
You pick up on it like I told you. You want shit to fall down in there. You're done. Put the top back up there.
Get that rag down there and wipe up all that around that surface. Get that black rag that's on the ground over there and wipe up that little bit. The hell? I know that's like the weirdest spot ever. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like,
take this shit off, that ain't shit.
oh. I ain't know it's just gonna slide out like that, to be real. Alright, the car started. Forward check. Coming out. So we're good.